I'm feeling anxious, nervous, excited. Whew. Okay, so I'm in my bathroom. It's a Sunday, okay? And no one looks nice on a Sunday. At least I never do. But anyways, I am in my bathroom. Nick's playing his video games. You can tell we were playing together because I have all these stripes on my face from like wearing the VR thing. So I have pregnancy tests. I am 30. Never taken one before. So I don't know why I'm like super nervous about it. I'm just like, oh. But yeah, I'm a week late, so I figured it's probably time to try it. We've been trying for, gosh, been together for 8 years. We'll be married for 5 this year, and we've been trying for about 7 months. And this is the first time where I'm like I'm usually not late. So I figured I'd try. I don't know if like I'm too scared to tell him. Not scared, just I can handle my own disappointment. I'm trying not to like get too excited or anything like that. But like I feel like he would, if I told him I was taking one, like the disappointment would just, you know, it's been a little hard. Like 7 months of, and I know like so many people go through this, but no one that like in my family usually does. So it was a little, you know, we thought it was going to happen a little sooner. We're both like, is everything okay? I have no idea. Not to mention everyone that's asking constantly, like even like the freaking like dental hygienist, like, are you pregnant yet? Or every time we see our friends, when are you guys going to start? When are you going to have one? I'm like, what do we know? Okay, we've already told you this. So that's where we're at right now. So I got the clear blue. No idea if it's good for Aunt, but I guess wish me luck, and we'll see how this goes. I have 2 pregnant tests, and I just feel so like excited, but also just like terrified. I'm like, am I old enough for this? I don't feel old enough for this. But I'm so excited, and I can't wait to tell him. And I ordered a coffee mug from Amazon a few days ago because I was just like, just in case, you know, just in case I thought about doing this big thing, and then I was just like, I just want to celebrate it just between me and him. I'm not going to tell anybody for quite a while. So yeah, I'm really excited though. I'm also terrified. I'm just like, this is the whole thing. So, but yeah, like I said, it's been a little rough, you know. I think everyone's story is a little different, and everyone acts like it's the most exciting thing in the world, and you know, definitely not as easy as everyone makes it sound, you know, and the questions and the everything, you know. So I just feel like this big weight off my shoulders, like maybe things are gonna be okay, you know. Hopefully things are gonna be okay. Like I said, I'm not getting like crazy excited, but definitely excited. So yeah, I'm gonna marinate with this for a few hours, and then tell him I'll make him some like evening espresso for the coffee cup.
At least let me find someone who will.
No fucking way.
I'm begging you.
I was like, he's probably not even gonna notice, and then I'm gonna have to be like, read it.
Oh my god. Really?
Yeah. Why would I joke about that?
When did this happen?
Like an hour ago.
Oh my god. Oh my god, are you serious? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, I love you.
I love you too.
Oh. I can't believe.
What a softie.
What do you mean? Shut up.
It's so cute.
Oh, that was pretty good.
Did you notice right away?
But I was going like this. I'm like, oh, there's writing on there. Like, what the fuck? That's really cool.
All right, it's Wednesday, March 24th.
Yeah, it is.
Yes. I'm documenting. I'm supposed to say how you're feeling.
I'm feeling anxious, nervous, excited.
And I'm just like,
What
okay.
the date is going to be.
I know. Please not. I just don't want it to be Halloween. I want it to be beginning of like November. Like a week after. Like, but not too close to Christmas.
Yeah.
Like, just not on my holiday. It's mine.
Share the holiday.
You had to guess a date. What would your date be? Let's both guess one. I'm gonna say November 8th.
How crazy am? How crazy if it's gonna be like November 20th, November 24th.
It's your mom and Mavericks, right?
Yeah.
And Michaela's is in November too.
Yeah.
What you're gonna guess that?
What are the odds?
The 20th or the 24th?
Maybe I'll go with the 24th. How weird is that gonna be?
No, I don't want the 24th.
I know. It's a guess.
Yeah. Okay. We'll
Doesn't
see.
mean it's gonna happen. You're like,
That's a lot.
I know. Stop it. Stop it.
Okay, now do your impression of what it looks like.
What do you mean?
The ocean creature.
Oh, it's like.
That's our unbelievable.
It's just moved. Which was good. He knew it was. The baby was good.
It's so crazy.
The
It feels
baby
much
or
more like real now. Before I was just like,
Stefania Messina.
I just feel like I have to poop all the time. I'm like, I don't know if anything's in here. All right.
What is this? Oh, it's
Back
recording.
in the car.
Yeah, we're back in the car.
And the date is,
October 20th.
which our anniversary is the 22nd.
Mm-hmm.
And it's also Gia's birthday, which is his niece's. So still on someone's birthday,
Yeah.
but way earlier than we thought it was going to be. All right. Turn that down.
Okay.
April, what, 4th?
Yeah, it's April 4th. It's on the.
Last day of our secret. I think my mom will cry.
Oh, yeah.
For sure.
Yep.
But we're just excited to like say it out loud.
Finally.
It'll be nice. But I think she'll be the only one to cry. I don't think your
No.
parents not
They'll
so
be
much.
happy, but
Just
yeah.
I was just taking a picture with you and your food. That looks good. Yeah.
I like your arm.
It's like a T-Rex. It's like a T-Rex.
Let's see.
Thoughts? Yeah.
Don't open it yet.
Don't open it yet.
Okay.
All right, open your eggs.
Open the eggs. Okay.
Don't go anywhere, Nora.
Hey, your circle's closed now. Can you guys?
Already ready.
James has our first trimester.
When do you guys think the due date is? You might know yet. I knew for sure. I was like, Mom will cry.
Let me see, what month are we in now? April.
So pick a date. Similar to someone else's date.
It's going to be October or November. October.
Pick a date.
A shot?
November
20th? Okay.
November 24th.
Oh, November 2nd. Everyone, I was like, oh, looks like no, just my mom. Just no, and then Dad pick a date.
The date?
Yeah.
March. November 30.
Mom, what'd you say?
November 2nd.
November 24th.
And 20th.
The 20th.
We are due October
Oh.
20th.
I said November 2.
Yeah.
No, you said 30th.
You said November 30th.